So now we come to our sister Judith. Sister Judith, you have some very important information to share with us. You're muted.
I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming. Just getting my PowerPoint ready. Go ahead.
Yes. So in this time, oh my, Jamaica.Keep. Yes, Jamaica.Keep. So go ahead, sister. Tell us.
Okay, so Leisure for Pleasure is going to bring to the house and the audience a little bit about how do we navigate Christmas, making Christmas meaningful after Melissa. So some people are right now very depressed, very bored, taking in all of this about Melissa. So what we're saying to persons, come, escape, enjoy, and celebrate Christmas in Jamaica. All right, Jamaica is ready for you. We may have had damages in the southwestern parishes in terms of Westmoreland and Hanover, Trelawney, and so on. But Ocho Rios, Portland, St. Mary, and many areas are opened up, and we are opening up each day. So here at Leisure for Pleasure, we have to share with you as to what is happening in Jamaica. How can we help you to navigate the Christmas? I'm going to share this PowerPoint with you. As we go forward, we'll let you know the various points. So I'm going to start now. Escape to Jamaica and encourage your friends to come to Jamaica. Is there a way of rebuilding? So it's a come visit, help rebuild the island we all call home. Experience the culture, the landscapes, the hospitality. All right. Visit also, it supports the Jamaican economy. We need to increase our employment. Start my video. Okay, can you see and hear this? Can you see the screen?
We're seeing the screen, yes.
And we're seeing it out, so that's great.
Okay, so are you here? And you're hearing me as well, right?
And we're hearing you, right.
Okay, so did you see my first screen?
Yes, we did.
Okay, great. So this is my second screen. Come and visit Jamaica. That's our appeal, also endorsed by our Minister of Tourism, the Jamaica Tourist Board. Their statement is that the best way to support Jamaica at this time is to visit Jamaica. So we say to persons both overseas and those in Jamaica, support the industry. That's why we're going to help to keep jobs instead of people being laid off and no employment, cannot fix their homes, cannot buy their food. Let us support the industry so certain persons can, both your friends overseas and those in Jamaica, can come on down and visit our lovely island home. All right, so we have pretty much the attractions, we have the craft market, we have the restaurants, we have the tour bus drivers, you name it. So all will be impacted by us having the wheels turn again. So we say here at Leisure for Pleasure, we're going to show you now some specials. We have some pre-Christmas specials, some New Year specials, some Christmas deals, and early booking deals. So we enjoy persons to come on down. So we're going to share with you some of what we have now. We have the Iberia Star having a great group special. Families, 10 rooms and more, and get one free person or one free room. So persons who want to come to Jamaica can still come on home to Jamaica. Or if you're already here and need a break, just check Leisure for Pleasure. We have pre-Christmas deals, right? We have the Rio and so on. Various properties having some getaways right now. We have the Ocean Coral Spring having a flash sales taking place. Some of these sales end pretty soon. We even have the day passes. People have been calling about where can we go for a day? We just want a break. So we have these available for persons to get their one-day getaways right now that are still available. Persons can get where to go. We're not all closed. Jamaica is not closed. That's the message I'd like to leave on the platform. We are not closed. We had a difficulty, yes, and we are rebuilding, but we're not closed. All right, so we also have Christmas getaways. We are at Rio getaways here, Ocho Rios, the Rio. We also have available hotels that are taking place between now and December, now and November and December. So here I have a listing of hotels that are open currently: the Rio, Ocean Coral Spring, Grand Palladium, Iberia Star, Moon Palace, Franklin D Resort, S Hotels, the Couples Property, Half Moon, and Sandals. These are all currently open, so we are not closed, guys. So tell your friends and family, both here in Jamaica, they can go get away still and have a lovely Jamaica vacation. All right, we also have villa getaways. Persons who can't afford AI hotels, we also have a list that are currently available. Just link with us for the details. And so we also have non all-inclusive hotels. So therefore, people who do not can't afford the AI hotels and also want a bed and breakfast property, again, we have available hotels that we can give to them as well. So the key, what we're saying to you is that sometimes it's just a mental break from the darkness, from the no internet, the no Wi-Fi, the no water, and all of that. Sometimes we can just treat a family, treat a friend, even for 2 nights getaway from it all can be a good thing for them mentally, just to de-stress from the stress. So we are encouraging persons to just treat their families and friends. Also, we have the one-day getaways. We have various places in Jamaica available for a one-day getaway, catamaran tours. We have the Choca tours, we have Devon House tours, Kingston tours, Ocho Rios tours, still available. And then we also have like Kanuki Falls, Mystic Mountain, the River Rapids, Great House tours, Yaman Adventures available. So therefore, again, Jamaica is not closed. Getaway, sometimes you're getting the Melissa every day, every day, every day, every day drinking in. And so sometimes tune out. Tune out of the heaviness and take a break. A mental break is also good. Take a break with your family, with your friends, with your co-workers. Just enjoy life. Breathe. All right. And then again, we have the one-day getaways, Frenchman's Cove. That's also open Strawberry Fields. That's in St. Mary, Sugar Pot Beach, Yaman Adventure. Again, these are all available. So persons, whether you're here or overseas, Jamaica is open. Again, endorsed by the Jamaica Tourist Board and our minister. The best way to support Jamaica at this time is to go visit our hotels, visit our attractions, and we'll be able to help to rebuild the economy. As we build the homes, we'll help to sustain the jobs and help to get our economy growing again. Again, we also have options of a gift certificate. Persons can choose to give a family member, give a staff member, who's going through a rough time, a certificate. So I can get a tour, a certificate, a day pass certificate, a getaway locally, a getaway overseas, just cruises, you name it. One can be able to help members of their families, their staff members just navigate this time and give them a prize of a gift certificate they can anytime. But at least we have the options. You can give us your budget, or we can give them a cash voucher. That person can utilize the value of the voucher to basically choose their own vacation and where they'd like to go. So here at Leisure, we want to give persons the options of taking a break, giving their family and friends a break in various ways, mental break. And basically for me, it helps to relax the mind when you can take away and just laugh and just relax a little bit. So we have various products that can be used for the cruises, the one-day getaways, resort weddings, anniversary packages, a day pass, fun days, so you can choose how you'd like to utilize the gift vouchers and have persons to be able to utilize it for the whole year. They can choose when they'd like to do it, but just getting a gift to say, listen, I'm going to give you a gift of a day pass for two, or a gift of even one day outing. Sometimes it can $10,000 you have to spend. Give somebody a gift. Give them a gift voucher, and they can allow the person to spend that gift voucher when they choose and where they like to go. And so we also have the option, book a family impacted by the hurricane, right? So get them a hotel stay for themselves to get away. Or if you live overseas and want to come home to Jamaica and have nowhere to stay, we can find somewhere to stay economical whilst you help your family to rebuild. Again, we're here for persons who are going through it. So we say, how are we going to navigate after Melissa? We are here for persons to be able to do either for themselves and for their family members or for their staff members, something special in terms of vacation, a getaway, a shelter gift, just whatever you'd like us to do, we're here to help you. So again, our formulation of pleasure, we're going to say to the world, both for Jamaicans and non-Jamaicans, because Jamaicans can encourage non-Jamaicans to come to Jamaica. So instead of going to a different country, come to Jamaica and help to rebuild Jamaica. When you help to rebuild Jamaica, in that way, we get to keep our jobs, keep money going. We're also persons who can send money home to keep that inflation rate down so we can get some foreign exchange back into the country. Again, we encourage remittances to come home so persons can be able to buy their goods and churn and make somebody happy for Christmas. So we encourage persons listening to be able to help their family members in various ways. So we said other ways to make Christmas meaningful after Hurricane Melissa. We also encourage outreach. So when we worked with the Aaron Ratchet Ministry sometime in November, we went to Trelawney A lovely, lovely experience. We gave out Bibles. They were so hungry for the Bibles, right? We sang and we had a worship service and we gave out food packages. And trust me, the parents were so grateful. So how we can make persons happy? Do more outreach, do more meaningful giving out to people, hearing their needs, talk with them, share with them. So again, we have outreach here with Errol Association. Persons can work through Choose Life or they can work through Mr. Ratcher's Association. And we can have here packages can be bought through Sampars. Sampars can deliver packages to the outreach center, or Sampars can deliver to the person's homes. So again, we give persons options, whether they're in Jamaica or not. They can buy care packages and have it delivered to the location, or they can deliver to the person's homes. Give and be a blessing. That's our word to persons at this point in time. And again, it can also go through the wire transfers, local or overseas transfers. Here again on the screen, persons can be able to get the details. And or they work with Choose Life or their various outreach centers. But the point is that our options are to have persons being able to know, where can I give? How can I give? How can I bless someone today? And there are many options persons can do. Give a gift of a vacation, give a gift of a day pass, give a gift of monetary contribution, or even a care package. So the meaning behind Christmas ad for us is to, how can we help persons navigate, Melissa? What can I do to help persons? So therefore, we give you options, either what we have shared so far, or work with a company or an agency or another church that is going to be able to go out and give. I found that giving the Bibles, sharing the word of God was very impactful. They wanted more of that. So I also encourage the time, it's time for revival, for us to go out there and meet the people where they are, give a care package, say a word of prayer, hug someone. So it is known not about food and tarpaulins, it's about life as well. So as you said, Nora, your project is very, very good. Persons can help to restore life back into people. A hug and care is what people are crying out for now. So again, our details on the screen. Persons can contact us through the numbers here. The WhatsApp is available. Sales address is available. Say the Leisure Jamaica. And our website, so persons can be able to reach us by WhatsApp, by email, by the overseas lines or local lines, or by the website. So persons can, whatever we have shared so far, they can contact us. And then we're going to share with you a little video. One of our clients had an anniversary recently. So made available for them to go to one of our hotels in Jamaica. So we're going to share with you a little video here. Okay. While the sound is being shared, what I wanted to share is that the hotels are open and this client of ours really wanted a break. And trust me, when they went to Iberia Star, they said it was one of the best things that they could have done. So we're asking persons, even at this time. Can you hear now?
Yes, it's low though.
Slow.
Wow, here is where the action is. Come on down to Jamaica and have a wonderful vacation. Thank you. It's a pleasure for a wonderful vacation.
Melissa, all right? So therefore, people are actually here in Jamaica and enjoying themselves after the hurricane. So I'm going to encourage our people to come on down, go to the hotels and enjoy. Don't drink in Melissa, drink in Melissa. Yes, Melissa is here, but life also continues. All right. So again, that's our little video here. And I think my last slide now. 1 second. Okay, so we say Jamaica is waiting for you. Come, support Jamaica. Together we are stronger. Together we rise again. So I think those are my main points that I'd like to share. I hope I brought them across, and I hope persons can benefit from information that we've shared so far. My last slide is, are there any questions? We are here to take your questions and then your answers after.